Action Coach was exactly what we needed. My partner and I own a Mercedes Benz repair and maintenance facility. Action Coach was exactly what we needed to take our business to the next level. When you are in the forest, you can't see the top of the trees. And Brian Bromglen, our coach, is exactly what we needed to, get an outside perspective on our business, what exactly we needed to do to go to the next level. And I can tell you, in 1 month, we have increased our gross profit margin from 29% to 45%, and I think that that's a tremendous achievement, and we look forward to more growth and more profits. So it's a motivator. It encourages you to go back to your business and fire away at obstacles and challenges that you face, and you may be at a rope's end on. This workshop was very instrumental in helping us to see and set up a 90-day plan, goal to achieve getting to the next level in very clear, detailed steps.